So, Manchester United 0, Arsenal 1. One of the worst games I have seen this season. One of the worst Man United Arsenal games I've ever seen in my life. One of the worst Man United teams. That's a mutant in mosquito form trying to get me. One of the worst games I've seen. And let's be real with it. Yeah, we won the game. Cool, fantastic. But now, all of a sudden, Arsenal fans around the globe are declaring their undying love for Tottenham Hotspur. Oh, please, Tottenham, please, can you do us a favour? After spending years telling me I'm a Tottenham fan, now you man have flipped the script. Uno reverse card. Get out of it, you de puta. Yeah? You man deserve everything you're getting next Sunday. Yeah, everything you'll get. Smash the like button up. Emergency meeting is coming as well. Trust me. Yeah, trust me. Yeah. All this has done is prolong the pain. If anyone genuinely thinks that Tottenham Hotspur are going to do anything other than Loftus bum cheeks and spread them like Katie Price around the footballer, yeah, you man are deluded. But we know that anyway, hence why you've backed this manager for 4.5 years. Is what it is, isn't it? We've gone from this guy, Dennis Bergkamp, and Vieira, Perez, Henry, absolute state. But we've got the most wins in Premier League history in a season. Yeah, kind of sums up how crap the Premier League is. Yeah, 27 wins. Fantastic. Well done. We're still at 1-0. Yeah. When is it acceptable to call this rubbish out? We've got that German giraffe, the German giraffe. Where was he today, by the way? Oh, but he set the goal up. Oh, what you mean my baller scored? The baller I keep telling you is the best player at our football club, but you, man, don't like it because his name is not Bukayo Saka. Yeah? Oh, it's racially motivated. Another stinker. But he's playing through injury. No, he's not. He dropped a shitter. Yeah? He's stunk today. He was awful. Absolutely awful. Yeah? Absolutely awful. He was disgusting today. Thomas Partey. I see people in my chat today telling me, oh, but Thomas Partey is not match fit. Well, he was match fit against Bournemouth. He was match fit against Tottenham. Yeah. Every time a player drops a stinker, there's a flipping excuse. I'm sick to death of it. Well done. We've won the game. Yeah. Let me tell you right now, Aston Villa tomorrow, yeah, mañana, yeah, are beating Liverpool. Once that's done, that German giraffe who has stood there on live global TV saying he's a Spurs fan on Tuesday when he represents our football club, the football club, yeah, telling the world he's supporting Tottenham on Tuesday. Absolute scumbag. Yeah. Absolute scumbag. Look at the players. Patrick Vieira and Tony Adams need to get his address and go and weigh him in. I am sick to death of this. This football club is an absolute disgrace. I've got people on my Twitter page telling me, yeah, that if you ain't supporting Tottenham on Tuesday, you're not an Arsenal fan. Well, hold up. Wait a minute. Hold up. Wait a minute. I've been told I'm a Spurs. Oh, you're a Spurs fan by TikTok mutants, and they're the weirdest mutants that roam the earth, like cucaracha, scuttling along like cucarachas. Yeah, Twitter mutants scuttling along like cucaracha, mutating at a rapid rate. We need to exterminate these from our fan base. This football club is an absolute disgrace. Yeah, absolute disgrace. Fair play, we've won. Well done, fantastic. If Aston Villa, which they will, beat Liverpool, who are already booking up their summer holidays tomorrow, Tottenham's irrelevant. Tottenham are irrelevant anyway. I'm 42 next month. They've been irrelevant my entire life. They're crap. And now you, man, that have been telling me I'm a Spurs fan because I don't rate the manager you're sexually attracted to. Yeah? And because I'm not... Oh, but you won't... I don't care about Tottenham. They're crap. They always will be. They always have been. But now you lot are sitting there telling me I'm not an Arsenal fan if I don't support them on Tuesday. Yeah? You have got to be the weirdest mutants that roam world football. Real talk. This fan base, big up Isco, by the way, that is a proper baller, by the way. Yeah? That is the proper baller right there. Man's getting Player of the Month award, yeah? Big up to Isco. Get that bastard to Arsenal right now. Proper footballer. Yeah? And I'm telling you now, yeah? The fact that that guy, that the German giraffe, yeah, that the German giraffe that lanky German giraffe, yeah, that did one pass and my baller scored, yeah, and disappeared after that, to be fair. So did the German giraffe, yeah. Let me tell you now, the fact he said on live TV to the world he's supporting Tottenham on Tuesday when he represents Arsenal Football Club. Man like Vieira and man like Tony Adams need to find his location real quick and weigh that geezer in. Yeah, how dare you? Yeah, how fucking dare you? Yeah, absolute disgrace what this club has become. We're now all Tottenham fans, you wasters. Every single one of you is a waster. Yeah, how about hold this club accountable for its failings? 1 point against Fulham and Aston Villa, which by the way, have our former manager in charge. Yeah, and since he's left, he's played us 5 times with 2 different clubs and beaten us 3 times with Super Duper Mick. 1 point against Villa in 2 games. 1 point against Fulham. By the way, Man United beat Villa home and away. Man United won against Fulham and lost against Fulham. So Man United took 9 points against them 2. We've took 1. That's why we're not going to win the league. That is why we are sat here right now as a fan base en masse. The OGs, the older lot, we actually get it. Yeah, we get it. But you lot that have infested our fan base, yeah, and you have infested our fan base, yeah, you're gassing up, finishing second. Oh, we took it to the last day. Nobody cares. Where's Hair Flick today? Where's Hair Flick? All this Hair Flick wiping snot through his hair every week. That geezer sums up everything that is wrong with Arsenal Football Club. That guy is a bitch. Yeah, go and watch it again. Go and watch it again. McTominay stood next to him in the tunnel, focused. And McTominay's crap. Dolph Lundgren, he's crap. Watch it again. This guy is doing all of this. He's rubbing his hair, rubbing his nose. He's playing with his ears. Yeah, so uncomfortable. And guess what? He goes out there and drops an absolute stinker again. This is our club captain. What a fall from grace. We've had man like Vieira. We've had man like Henry, Pires, Bergkamp representing our football club. Rocky Rocastle must be in his grave, turning, spinning. Herbert Chapman spinning. What does George Graham think of this? Yeah, where are all these OGs? Come out. Paul Merson. Listen, I like you, Paul Merson, yeah? You're a fucking disgrace as well. Giving it the big one. These men are doing it for traction, yeah? And I swear down, I'm fuming. You know, fair play, we won the game. Cool. That's irrelevant anyway, because City ain't dropping points. Yeah, we effed it up with 1 point out of 12 against Aston Villa and Fulham. We see Man City decimate Fulham 4-0. I predicted that, by the way. We see him slap up Wolves 5-1. I predicted that as well, the exact score, both of them. Yeah, they're slapping Spurs by 3 on Tuesday at least. They're slapping West Ham by 5, 6, 7, 8. Whatever. Should we just get the calculator out? Yeah. What was that we watched today, by the way? Yeah. That's one of the biggest games in world football. What the fuck have I just watched? Yeah. Norwich versus Leeds ended 0-0, and that was a better game. And that was dead. Yeah. Premier League, best league in the world. No. We're watching Betis Almeria. Watch this. Yeah. I guarantee the tech is better. They can dribble. They can cross. They actually have a go, and they'll actually get stuck in another fight. Arsenal, Man United, I've grown up on that. The battle at Old Trafford with George Graham. Both teams got dot points. Yeah, Paul Merson saying, and I know he's proper Chelsea. This is not Chelsea. Yeah, he's proper Chelsea. But he's one of the best players Arsenal have ever had. And he's sitting there on live TV saying, well, you know, if Tottenham beat Man City, I'll go and get a Tottenham tattoo. You can fuck off as well. Yeah, these men are showing their true colours now. Yeah, it's an absolute disgrace. Anyone who's sitting there supporting Tottenham, and I don't see them as rivals. Yeah, I don't. Anyone who's sitting there spreading them for Tottenham Hotspur, that sums up everything about you. Yeah, and it sums up everything that's fucking wrong with my football club. Yeah, you lot are a disgrace. And you spent 4, 5, 6, 7 years telling me I'm a Tottenham fan. Funny how life works, isn't it? Yeah. Flip the script, and now you lot have got on your knees, yeah? You're on your knees like Katie Price round fucking a footballer at an event. Oh, please, sir, can I have some more? Yeah, get out of here. You lot are dickheads, yeah? I swear, you lot have buried this football club. Get that manager gone next Sunday. Get him gone. When Aston Villa win tomorrow, which they will, yeah, then what? Because now top Spurs are on the beach. You got Tottenham fans out here saying, we're bending over. We don't want none of this. Yeah, it's like Man at Carnival, Pride Festival. Yeah, they're all twerking their batties, bending over. No, I'm sick to death of it. This football club, yeah, is nothing to what I started supporting back in the day. Yeah, this club is a disgrace. Yeah, where's Righty? Bring out some new merch. Oh, you can't call it Invincible anymore because Jens Lehmann's bought the rights to that, innit? Yeah, well done, Jens Lehmann. Proper player. Yeah, F their campaign, their PR campaign. And when this manager finally F's off, in fact, next Sunday, in fact, I might even smoke this tonight. Yeah, I am sick of this club. Yeah, sick of this football club. Yeah. And people just sit there and go, oh, but we took it to the last day. We're going up against the best manager. No, he ain't. Factually incorrect information, Io Deporte, yeah? Fergie's the greatest manager of all time. He's won the most trophies. Yeah, let's stop chatting pucaria. Yeah, mierda. I can give it in all languages if you want. Dute and Ganoi, Romanian as well, yeah? We can go everywhere with this. Yeah, and trust me, you better join this emergency stream. You better be tuning in because you're going to get cold, hard facts. And we're going to be chef in the kitchen, Gordon Ramsay cooking, yeah? Yeah, where was Delia? Oh, let's be having you. We need a 12th man here. We need all of you lot to piss off with that manager and take that bloody dog with you. Yeah, I'm sick to death of it. Get in the bin. Dute inganoi. Betty alamio de io de puta. Yeah, no more pucaria. Yeah, I'm sick to death of it. Yeah, I'm sick to death of it. Yeah, this club should have done back-to-back titles. And this fan base are the biggest reason why it didn't. And that club, yeah, is playing up for a pound note. Yeah, it's playing up for a pound note. So all of you mutants that have fucking infested this football club, I'm sick to death of every one of you. Yeah. Next weekend, make your apologies as loud as your disrespect because you've mugged me off for 4 years and longer. And guess what? 4 years of no trophies. No more. No mas. No more. There's no more. End it. Binim adios io de puta. Make sure you sub to the channel. Yeah. Don't care if you want to cry in the comments. I'll be live again in about 3 fan cams time. Kenny's next, Jez, then Matty, and then we're going to chef all of these mutants about supporting Spurs on Tuesday, you wankers. Adios, io de puta.